It's Monday morning. We've got a couple different things to do. First off, Glory cleaned out her fish tank, and then she is setting up her new fish tank. We're getting some like glowfish, neon tetra type fish in here. And then what you don't see, because I didn't record it, is she is upstairs making a ton of phone calls to all her friends and family, asking them to sponsor her for a walkathon. So when she was done with that, she did all of her independent school for the day. And then we finished our Monday by setting up her karaoke machine and having a little dance party downstairs. Tuesday started off strong with all of our normal school. And then for geography, she's learning about county fairs. Now, the cool thing about this is where we come from, the county fair is always the first week of August or the last week of July. My daughter's birthday is August 5th. So the tradition is one of my best friends happened to have a daughter that's my daughter's age. And so they kind of grew up together. And every year for Glory's birthday, the four of us went to the fair together and just had a lot of fun. So I thought I'd throw in a few of those pictures. We definitely missed that time. And then we are doing some map work this morning. So she's locating a few different locations on the map. Our math, we are doing degrees. So we're doing 180 degrees, 360 degrees. And so to showcase that, there's a game inside of this. This is one reason I really love this curriculum. It's very hands-on. So she is turning clockwise or counterclockwise, whatever the card says, a certain amount of degrees. And then she's reading that clue. And what she's doing is she's learning about Lewis and Clark through the math lesson. So I thought that was really cool. And then because we've been learning about dinosaurs and science, we are ending our school day with the Jurassic Park Game of Life. So I'd never seen this. I got this at the thrift store for $4. Best $4 I've spent in a long time. It is similar to the Game of Life, a little bit simpler, but also a few more twists and turns in there that make it really fun. So if your kids are interested in dinosaurs, I would highly recommend grabbing this game. I'm going to link it down in the description below. Wednesday, she did a lot of independent school, and then Thursday, we did a couple of our lessons. One thing that I really love about the math that we have is there is a portion that is all in your head. So it's called mental math. It's a daily mental math exercise, and there's a lot of variety. So one day she's doing money and some story problems. The next day she is adding 3-digit numbers and then subtracting 2-digit numbers. And then she's adding and subtracting by 100 or 1,000. She's spelling numbers. She's going over months of the year. Like, it is very diverse. I really like that about this, but it's every day. There's like 5 to 10 minutes worth of mental work with each math lesson. We did a history lesson on the way to the trampoline park, had a lot of fun with friends. We picked up her candle that she had made 2 weeks ago. Last week, we ended up not being able to make it. So we picked it up. It smelled delicious. And then Friday, we spent all day at co-op. So she took writing, history, science, and Lego robotics. I did do grocery shopping, and her friend lives right around the store. So we took her with us as a little fun detour. She was super helpful. I highly recommend grabbing an extra kid to go grocery shopping. We also picked up Glory's fish with the friend before we took the friend home. So she got 3 glowfish for her new tank. Now, there's a yellow one, a pink one, and a blue one. We did not know that the blue one was going to blend in. So you really can't see the blue one unless you look super close. But the tank turned out really cute. And yeah, we had a really good, fun week of homeschooling.